splitter a little bit under, which is what we would like. Yeah, we're not going in for anything major, just trying to get something to work today, make something more permanent later. But like any good project, if it works, it'll never be made over. But once it's set and working, it's usually how it's going to stay. All right, so I like that height. Now, I think what we'll do is use like some of these logs, just like a carriage, underneath. No, that's too long. I need something for the slide part. Something like this. That piece is no good. This piece, if I put it here, let it slide down. Dude, this is the ultimate DIY. This is, but listen, if it works, that's all we need. Let's put a long fella in there. There's one. Oh, sweet, I got another piece. Ugly, but that'll work for what we're doing. Sweet. All right, so now take some of these. Putting these in. I'd seen like some metal things, like a metal rack that you can like push them off of, push the wood off of. But one, I didn't want to spend the money on it, and two, I mean, my kids would just pick it up. So we're gonna stack right where we're working. All right, another piece. Too skinny, just about here. Well, I think I can get away with putting a little gap in there. Should be all right. Another one. That one. Oh, sweet. A lot of hurricane damage around here. I don't know about where you're from, but it's pretty devastating, to be honest. The worst ones I've heard we've had since Hugo. Katrina. I remember doing some disaster relief with Hurricane Katrina, helping mud out houses. Oh, that was gross. Here we are. Another hurricane. Alright. Get 2 more pieces and that'll be good. And Judd can just stack right here. Or he can cut and I can stack. He loves to split wood. It's ugly, but hey, sometimes ugly works. Actually, a lot of times, ugly works. All right, so that's just a very quick offloaded ramp. So cut lumber or cut firewood and just roll it on down right here. So let's see how it works. And I actually don't like this top piece, so I'm gonna lay it inside. So let's cut that. I don't have a saw with me, but I got my chainsaw, so I'm gonna use that. Well, it works for a chainsaw. I'm sure it'll work for wood. Oh, we got another one. All right, so right inside there, right about there. Looks good to me. Perfect. I like that a lot better. Honestly, I just made a pallet. That's all I did. But it's okay. I mean, it's not the coolest looking thing, but it'll work. Let's try one before I go any further. Actually, let's put a runner on here. Well, you know what? Let's put, that'll be fine. Just something simple. It's ugly, but it's at least works. The offloads, so just make a pile right here. Now I just need to build a table to put my lumber on, or my wood. I keep saying lumber. We're good to go. Thanks for watching.